This is extra page I have inserted to differentiate between isolated or interpolated ventricular extrasystole and any other ventricular systole. They are not the same. There is slight difference. Isolated or interpolated means there is extrasystole between the two normal beats. Extrasystole between the two normal beats. And this has got the following features. The ventricular extrasystole in isolated form, that is interpolated form, the extrasystole is sandwiched between the two normal heartbeats. You see that. Its main features are as follows. Number one, no P wave before QRS. QRS is wide, bizarre, tall. The interval between the normal beat and the extrasystole and the interval between the extrasystole and following normal beat, the time is, the interval is equal. That is, in the diagram I have written A to B and C to D. They are equal in interpolated sandwiched extrasystole. And there is no compensatory pause in this. There is no compensatory pause after the ventricular extrasystole. So there is no pause. Then the other types of extrasystole, the features are as follows. And difference is shown with the denotes the X and dash, X and point. No P wave we will see in other type of extrasystole. Other type I mean bifocal, unifocal, R on T phenomenon, and other varieties which we have discussed before. Now, no P wave will be there, and the wide QRS, tall QRS, you will see similar to the isolated one. But here, the other types, the interval between A to B, between the normal beat and extrasystole, is shorter than the between the extrasystole and next normal beat, that is shorter. So here A to B, the interval between the normal beat and extrasystole is shorter than between the extrasystole and following normal beat. And there is last point, that there is a presence of long compensatory pause after QRS complex in extrasystole. So difference you note between isolated, interpolated extrasystole is that the interval between the normal beat and extrasystole is shorter than between the extrasystole and following normal beat, and there is a long compensatory pause. In the first one, there is no compensatory pause after a bizarre tall QRS, wide QRS, no compensatory pause. But in other form of extrasystole, you will find a long compensatory pause. So this is I wanted to differentiate clearly in the end so that you have got a clear idea.